The piping task is used to model distributed pipelines in your model using a point-by-point design method. Using the piping task, you can create a fully rendered three-dimensional model of the various pipelines in your model. You also can use this task to insert piping components, instruments, and splits during design, and then spool the pipe. You can start the piping task by clicking Tasks of Piping. Modeling of pipelines is aided by the piping specification, which limits and sometimes automatically selects piping parts. Within a particular design context of pipeline service, the specification author makes decisions in advance relating to both allowed parts and requirements for the parts that may be used in that service. Limiting the selection of parts through use of a piping specification helps the designer by eliminating the need to make decisions related to the applicability, cost, procurement, and safety of particular parts within particular pipeline services. Part selection is further aided through the provision of rules regarding the usage of particular types of parts in particular design situations. The piping specification contains a grouping of piping materials classes that define the requirements, characteristics, and behavior of the piping commodities for a specific service. For more information on the piping reference data and piping specifications, see the Piping Reference Data Guide or the Catalog Help. Before you start modeling, there are some relationships and concepts that you need to know. Piping systems, what is one of these? Piping systems are a way of organizing pipelines in your model. You can create piping systems based on the area where the pipelines are located, by what the pipelines carry, by the piping designer who models the pipelines, or by any other method that you choose. Piping systems are just a way to group objects. You can create piping systems in the Systems and Specifications task. Pipelines, what is a pipeline? Pipelines are a way of organizing pipe runs in your model and are created in the Systems and Specifications task. You are not restricted to piping systems when creating pipelines. You can create pipelines under any previously created system. When you create a pipeline, you should define a fluid requirement and a fluid type. Pipe runs, what about them? A pipe run is a connected series of pipe features that normally have the same nominal pipe diameter and flow direction, and are normally governed by the same pipe specification. All pipe features belong to a pipe run. One or more pipe runs make up a pipeline. Pipe features, what are these? When you route a pipe run, you place features defining high-level design information as you progress. The software automatically selects the specific parts based on the pipe specification of the pipe run. You might want to think of features as logical collections of parts driven by the pipe specification.